Hi, my name is Vilma Gomez. I will be sharing with you about my capstone project. I will give you a brief description of what my project entails, and then I will share my findings of my literature review. I currently work for Spring ISD, coordinating a home visiting program called Smart Start. The program is geared for families that have children 18 months through 4 years. The goal of the program is to help the parent get their children ready for school. During the visits, we do activities that promote all the areas of development: fine and gross motor, cognitive, social, emotional, and language. Literacy is encouraged by promoting daily book read to the children. In addition, the program supports the families by connecting them to resources that they might need. Given the COVID situation we are in, it is not safe for our staff and families to continue doing the program in the homes. The district decided that we would be doing the program virtually. Data has shown that through the in-person visits, we have been able to engage the parent. Children have increased their receptive language and have acquired school readiness skills. What I want to investigate is whether we will have the same outcomes virtually as we did in-person visits. There are 4 themes that I researched. The first one is what are the characteristics of effective home visiting programs? Some key elements of good home visiting programs include parent engagement, trusting relationships between the parent and the home visitor, whether parent and program goals align. If parents' purpose for enrolling in the program, for example, is to get child care, transportation, or other material resources, but the program's emphasis is on teaching parenting skills, parents will not engage in the program. Home visiting programs that use curricula like Parents as Teachers that encourage child development knowledge, and parent practices that reinforce strength and educational involvement are very helpful. A second theme that I research is the relationship between the parent and the home visitor. I found that parents who had warm parent-child interactions showed higher levels of cooperation with the home instructor. Programs that involved parents in decision-making about all aspects of the program were more likely to see staff as effective helpers. Home visitors that were dependable, honest, and persistent, they were able to overcome parents' distrust and reluctancy in the program. A study showed that one reason parents leave the program is when the home visitor is no longer works in the program. A third theme I investigated is how home visiting programs promote school readiness. Programs that encourage school readiness teach parents how to increase language by engaging children in conversations while reading books. Parents are encouraged to promote letter knowledge in print, play learning games, and enhance literacy skills. Programs that have a dual focus on activities and parent strategies to support children academic learning along with social skills have shown sustained effects through 3rd grade. The last theme I researched was in-person visits versus virtual visits. As expected, there is little research at this point on virtual programs. This will change after COVID-19. Other industries have used technology to bring people together living and working in distant locations. Some names used for this practice is video conferencing, telehealth, and teleintervention. Telepractice in medicine suggests a possible applicability to early childhood programs. Some studies have used telecommunication to provide intervention to young children with autism and behavioral disorders. I learned about a study conducted to evaluate a program that used video conferencing to connect families with children with developmental delays or disabilities. One strategy used in in-person visits is coaching. It was found that coaching was successful during the virtual visits. Parents who participated in this study also experienced in-person visits. These parents were given a survey about both visit modalities, and results showed that they were generally satisfied with both modalities. Furthermore, the study found that parents spoke more about early intervention topics in the virtual visits in comparison to in-person visits. Parents showed confidence with technology as well. This study did not evaluate internet security, but the author suggests paying attention to HIPAA requirements. In conclusion, research supports the benefits of home visiting programs. Effective programs find ways to engage parents, increase parents' knowledge of child development. School readiness is supported when parents are taught how to promote language in letter and print knowledge. Parents and home visitors' trusting relationship are key to the child's growth and program success. Even though there isn't much research on virtual home visit programs, research shows that telepractice in other disciplines might help us implement virtual programs due to the current situation of COVID-19. In my project, I will study the effectiveness of virtual visits in comparison to in-person visits. Thank you.